All the way sa mga house, tell us your name, kung may babatiin ka man, at kung may ipopromote ka, vlog, TikTok, or kung meron kang next events that we would like na gusto mong supportahan ka namin. Dahil mga fans na Isitan Surround Complex talagang very supportive yung mga. Alright, take number 1, take it away.
Hi everyone, my name is Maria Josabel Reynal. I'm glad you came all here in Isitan Recto Mall. And thank you so much for watching us and please support us. Thank you.
Maraming salamat. Wala namin. Babe, number 1. Wala ka bang social media handles? Hindi ka TikTok yan. Okay, walang problema naman. Alright, next. All green. Babe, number 2. A happy birthday. Let's say happy birthday. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday. By the way, she's celebrating her 18th birthday today. Pagod po niya ngayong araw nito. Grabe, pinili po niya na mag-debut at makasama tayong lahat. And syempre, we all hope that every one of you guys will win. Alright, babe number 2. Nabati na kita. Ikaw naman ang bumati sa akin.
Hello everyone! My name is Kathleen Hanaduran and nagpapasalamat po ako sa inyong lahat. Lalong-lalo na po sa mama ko po at sa pinsan ko po na nandito nagsasuporta sa akin. Yun lang po. Thank you po!
Thank you so much. Ayan, si Mami pala at si Insan nandyan. Maraming salamat naman yung support. The parents are very important talaga. Even the friends and families. So wala ka din bang social media handles, TikTok, di ka rin nagagano naman. Okay, walang problema. Let's start. Ito na, move on to Babe number 3. Babe number 3, yung next same question ko from Babe number 1 and Babe number 2. Alright, take it away.
Hi everyone! I'm Sandra Lindag-Saga and gusto ko lang pasalamatan yung mga tumulong sa akin for supporting my dreams and sa mga kaibigan ko na sinuportahan ako and naghahantay para sa akin. Thank you po.
Maraming salamat. Ayan, sa mga friends si Babe number 3. Maraming salamat. Ayan sila. All the way at the back. Thank you so much guys for supporting. Let's go. Alright, good luck to you girls. Now I move on to our house. Alright, house number 1 brother. Same question lang din from our babes. So, take it away.
Good evening everyone. I'm Ross Christian Engel. Sana nag-enjoy kayo ngayon. Sana hindi namin na-history yung oras nyo at sana nag-enjoy talaga kayo sa gabi nito. Inaano lang kayo na i-follow nyo ako sa aking IG account, Ralph Christian Engel. And please do support me on my journey on Viva Max. Thank you.
Maraming salamat. Ralph Christian Engel. Follow him on his Instagram page. And syempre, and also his journey sa Viva Max. Pero bang movie ngayon na ginagawa? Okay, good luck to you, brother. At aabangan din natin yung movie mo na yan. Let's move on to hot number 2.
Hi everyone, ako nga po pala si Jonathan Gabriel. Tiga Bulacan. Binabati ko nga po pala yung mga family sa Bulacan. Thank you po sa lahat ng sumuporta sa amin.
Maraming sa hot number 2, wala ka bang hindi ka nag-TikTok, hindi ka nag-Facebook, wala ka lang. Facebook lang. Alright, gusto mo bang i-share ang Facebook mo para mas madami kang followers?
Follow na lang po Jonathan Gabriel.
Yan, follow nila po Mr. Jonathan Clavio sa kanyang Facebook page. And syempre, ayan na lang po, meron po binibenta na property din sa San Jose del Monte, Bulacan. You may inquire and contact me for other details. Now, let's move on to hot number 3.
Thank you. I would like to say thank you to each and everyone mula Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. By the way, I'm Jaser Santiago from Tuguegarao City. You can follow me on Instagram at Jaser Leon. It's JSERLEON. And of course, my Facebook account almost the same of the name. And I would like also to thank all the IP community. If ever there's an IP here, don't worry, I'm one of the IP community also, and I'm proud of it. Thank you.
Maraming salamat. Ayan, of course, our indigenous people, we truly support and of course, we treasure ang ating mga indigenous people. And kindly follow, of course, him on his Facebook and IG. Leon pala, apelido mo. Leon ba? L-E-O-N. Alright. Bakit iba yung surname na binigay sa? But kidding aside, guys, let's go to hot number 4.
Good evening everyone, my name is Raymond Amorin. Follow na lang sa Facebook. Raymond Amorin din. And good evening everyone. Thank you.
Short but sweet, nahiya siya. Si Raymond Amorin, can you follow him on his social media pages as Raymond Amorin as well. Sorry, this is hot number 5 and hot number 4. Yan, nagkabaliktad pala sila. Alright, hot number 4, brother, take it away.
Hello, good evening. I'm Wences Estrella. I'm a personal trainer. Kung gusto nyo magpa-train, kontakin nyo lang ako sa FB page ko na Wences Estrella.
Ayan, sa mga gustong magpa-summer bodies tulad ni atin, meron tayong fitness coach right over here, Wency Estrella.